Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. This here is Moose. Moose is pretty content right now because he just finished a meal with this Wild Alaskan Salmon Oil and now he's ready for a nap. So we started supplementing his diet with this a while back because he had seasonal allergies and I really wanted something to help with his itchiness and his coat. And I'm pleasantly surprised with the results of this. I definitely notice a difference in how shiny his coat is. Moose really enjoys the flavor of this, it seems. We do all 3 pumps in a single meal, and I can tell he really looks forward to it. I'm confident in the quality of this product. It came highly recommended from a friend. I also think this is fairly priced. So for him, because he's a larger dog and takes the 3 pumps a day, it's just over a 2-month supply for him. So if you're looking to supplement your pup's diet with some quality omegas, Moose and I highly recommend this one from the Natural Dog Company. But that's just our point of view.